Good evening. It's Tuesday, September 1st, 2020, with Miami Options Market Recap. Today was like no other, but still the same things in the market that's going on. With Zoom going berserk, going beyond, beyond. It opened up 30% and then rolled its way all the way up close to 45% higher. And looking at this gap, looking at the gap between yesterday and today, it is so far away from the expected move for this week. And will it go even higher? The market can do anything it wants. It's a tale of two markets: what's really going on in the streets and what's going on Wall Street. So, for those who came in to short this at the open, you really got crushed. But let's look at it daily and see what transpired today. See, right at the open, it ripped higher, and right about 10 o'clock, it did a pullback and then just continued to drift higher. But just going back and looking at the 2 year daily, it is far extended. Can this go any higher? The market can do wherever it likes to do. You know, there's a saying that says the market can be more irrational than you can stay solvent. Then you can, I mean, whatever money you can take will end. To short this market will wipe you completely out. This market can go higher for infinity, you know, but you have to go with what the market is giving you. Let's look at another beast, Tesla, and look how far it is away from the moving average. This huge gap, this huge error in this chart here. Like whenever you have these huge air pockets, it usually comes back to mean or come back to touch the 20-day moving average. So we'll we'll observe because the market is bullish. There's nothing stepping in its way, but when it do corrects, just looking at this chart from 35, of course, it was like 179, but it, after the split, they have to do all the numbers over again. But let's look at this. Let's look at this run. The run has been ridiculous. It has to, at some point, it has to do a pullback at least to touch the 20-day moving average. So, if anyone purchased any Zoom stock before today's open, yesterday before yesterday closed, you benefited tremendously. Look at 5,700, 800, 1,200, 2,100. This is a lot of people. Look, 5,300, 5,500 change. Man, I didn't have the heart enough to come in here and buy calls the day before. But you win some, you lose some. So just look looking forward to tomorrow. It's Wednesday. I'll be looking at SPY itself is a bit overheated. Just look at this V-shaped recovery. Of course, our what really goes on in the street isn't in a V-shaped recovery. We aren't recovering as much, but this market can go infinity and beyond. Okay, exorbitant. This can really, really, really run. Do not try to come here and play Superman and try to short this market. You just got to go with the trend. Whatever the market is giving you, you take. So looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. And please trade safe. And also reminder to you, to whoever listens, this is only educational advice. This is not advising investment advice. I'm not your broker dealer. Please take everything here as educational. See you guys tomorrow.